So what's up guys, welcome to HED Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, I made a video completely dedicated on the Airpods Pro topic before some time, and I said it's great, it's fantabulous, it's great, greatest innovation by Apple. But guys, I was planned to make this video, and this is the sad story behind Airpods Pro and only specific in India. Guys, what is this story? Well, the pricing in India and just everything which I'm going to be comparing and just going to be making you prove that just what Apple is currently doing. It's nonsense, literally it's nonsense. In today's video, I'm going to be talking like what are the problems which I see in the future of Apple. Let's hope for the best that these things which I'm going to be discussing will not come true. But again, if they will come true, that is going to be a disaster. So in today's video, I'm going to be discussing everything about it. So if you want to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel. And also guys, don't forget to like today's video, because just in this video I'm just going to be telling you like what are the problems. So like today's video, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, we all know that I have covered in my earlier video. If you have not yet checked that out, go ahead and check it out. And let me tell you, like the pricing of the AirPods Pro is $249, which is like $250. And what exactly is $250? Like in United States, even for a pair of Bluetooth earbuds, $250 is it's very much. And in India, guess what is the price of AirPods Pro? Well, 24,900 Indian rupees. Yes guys, 24,900 Indian rupees. It's very, the only logic which we can say is Apple has put the dollar rate to $1 is equal to 100 rupees. Like it's insane. Like the current rate is like somewhere around 70 or 72, I suppose, and like $100, like seriously $100, and just getting like 25,000 for rupees for just a pair of earbuds. Okay, like the only thing which I have observed, and I know that you might even have observed, that you will find in on the streets of India, you will find people with fake AirPods. Okay, AirPods clones. Just they are using it as a status symbol and buying or purchasing the clones, and the only thing which is selling is the clones of the AirPods, because no one can even afford. And even if they can afford, but they really don't want to pay so much for a thing that basically gives you music. Like you can get a nice Alexa for the pricing of 5,000 Indian rupees, and you're talking for 4 times more than it. Guys, it's very, the worst thing I have ever seen. Like 25,000, come on Apple. And not just that guys, now Xiaomi has came with its Air Dots Pro, I suppose, that starts at 3,000 Indian rupees or 3,800 Indian rupees. But that's great, because that's the same exact one as AirPods. They also have the seamless integrity and everything built into them. Like 3,000 is again too much. If anybody has to make a Bluetooth earpiece, that should be around like 2,000 rupees range. Like you're talking like 25,000. Like the Powerbeats Pro also, you can get it under 20,000 Indian rupees. So like I'm really not understanding that why Apple is opting for such a great high pricing. Guys, again, like AirPods Pro are going to be great in noise cancellation, the audio will be good, the battery life is 4.5 hours, and everything is perfect with them. But the price, I don't really see that it justifies the product. And guys, I just want to say in today's video is that if you want to get a new pair of AirPods, I would say like skip the AirPods Pro and go for the AirPods Generation 1 or Generation 2. Generation 1 you can get easily under 10,000 rupees if you are willing to spend, and Generation 2 you will get around 12,000 to 13,000 Indian rupees. And I would say like those are the best purchases. Again, when the first AirPods were launched in India, like 12,000 was a big deal, and now like 25,000, it's not at all a great thing. And I would say like under the name of AirPods Pro, the only thing that is going to be selling are the clone AirPods, and definitely everybody is interested in the clone events. I myself was thinking, but I thought like instead of getting a bad one, let's go for the noise earphones or any other one. But guys, definitely I would say like this move by Apple, like 25,000 literally for AirPods. Like I don't really see. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. I'm damn sure that your people cannot even afford a new iPhone, that how they will invest so much behind just earbuds. Okay, the cheap Chinese one starts at less than 500 Indian rupees. And just my whole and sole reason of making today's video was just like, what are your thoughts? Okay, like I just wanted to give you the real pricing of AirPods Pro in India and like 25,000. Are you interested in paying so much, or rather you will invest some more amount and buy a new iPhone? Let me know in the comment section for sure. And guys, hope you have liked today's video. There is nothing much to like in today's video, but I just wanted to bring to you, bring to your notice that what is actually Apple doing. And guys, if Apple want to, stay in this market, they cannot do like this big mistakes. And let me know in the comment section, and hope you have liked today's video. And if you like to be updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,